নমস্কার, আপনারা দেখছেন এই সময় ডিজিটাল। আপনাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছে আমি সৌরদীপ। আপনারা অনেকেই জানেন একটি ঘটনা ঘটেছে যেখানে একজন ভারতীয় মহিলা তিনি লন্ডন যাচ্ছিলেন। লন্ডন যাওয়ার পথে ফ্র্যাঙ্কফুর্ট বিমানবন্দরে একটি অভিজ্ঞতার সম্মুখীন হন। সেই অভিজ্ঞতার কথা তিনি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় পোস্ট করেছেন এবং তারপরে সেই পোস্টটি ভাইরাল হয়ে যায়। কি সেই অভিজ্ঞতা? তিনি দাবি করেছেন যে তিনি যখন বিমানবন্দরে যান, ফ্র্যাঙ্কফুর্ট বিমানবন্দরে, সেখানে বিমানবন্দরের কর্মীরা তার থেকে ভ্যাকসিনের সার্টিফিকেট দেখতে চান। সেই সার্টিফিকেটে একটি ছবি ছিল, যে ছবিটি প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদী। বিমানবন্দরের কর্মীরা তার কাছে জানতে চান যে এটা কার ছবি, এটা তো তার ছবি নয়, তার সঙ্গে ম্যাচ করছে না ছবিটি। তখন তারা ভাবেন যে এই ভ্যাকসিনের সার্টিফিকেটটি জাল, কোনো রকম ভাবে ফ্রড করা হয়েছে। তো তখন তিনি প্রশ্ন করেন এবং ওই বিমানবন্দরের কর্মী প্রচন্ড রেগে যান, উত্তেজিত ভাবে তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেন যে এটা আসলে কার ছবি। ওই জনৈক মহিলা যাত্রী খুব ঠান্ডা মাথায় তাকে বোঝান যে এটা আমাদের দেশের প্রধানমন্ত্রীর ছবি। এবং তারপর এটা যেটা শুনে বিমানবন্দরের কর্মীরা রীতিমতো হাসাহাসি করেন, রীতিমতো হাসির খোরাক হন ওই মহিলা যাত্রী। বিদেশি বিমানবন্দরে ভারতীয় মহিলা যাত্রীর এই হাসির খোরাক হওয়ার ঘটনা ঘিরে রীতিমতো শোরগোল পড়ে গিয়েছে নেট দুনিয়ায়। এই ঘটনা, এই অভিজ্ঞতা শেয়ার করেছেন দীপ্তি তামহানে। আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন দীপ্তি তামহানে। দীপ্তিজি, ওয়েলকাম টু এই সময় ডিজিটাল। I was just telling to my audience that whatever you faced that incident, you had that experience you shared on your social media platform. So what exactly happened actually in that airport? Could you please tell us?
So we were on our way to London, on our way to Serbia actually. We were supposed to take a 10-day holiday in Serbia and then go to London from there. However, at the gate of Frankfurt Airport, where we were boarding the flight for Belgrade, they stopped us and said 2 hours ago the government had changed the rules and you cannot board the flight to Serbia, to Belgrade. So then that is the reason we had to go to the customer service desk of Lufthansa Airport. Otherwise, nobody goes to customer service desk inside the airport unless you really need some help inside. So we went and that lady, of course, nobody is allowed to go to London unless he's a British citizen or she's a British citizen, or they have a valid work permit, as in residence permit of UK currently. Still, since we are on the red list of UK. So she checked all the papers and she also asked for our vaccination certificates. We gave everything to her. And she saw the vaccination certificate. And obviously, when you see a certificate, the first thing which catches your eye is the photo. It is a standard, it's a very common human psychology that if you see a picture, you will always see a picture more than the text. And she looked at me and she looked at the picture and she said, "This is not you." She was very surprised, slightly annoyed, and "This is not you." And then before I said something, she called her colleague and said, "This is the certificate, photograph." So I said, "Hold on, madam, hold on. This is not me. This is not my husband either. This is our Prime Minister's photo." So it was spontaneously, she started laughing. It was not a joke about the country. It was not a joke about the Prime Minister. It was nothing. It was a spontaneous laugh at that photograph because she did not expect anything like this. After that, she also said that I have never seen this kind of a photograph on anybody's certificate, and she kept laughing. And then she said, "Okay, fine," and she returned that certificate to me. Well,
what do you think? How did you react when the people made laugh at your PM? How did you react?
So to start with, the people honestly did not laugh at the PM. It was a joke which happened at the airport, which could have been with anybody, right? And I respect my country's PM. I do love my country. I have come to London like yesterday, as in 10 days back. There is not even sense of belongingness for this place. I do love India. I have a whole of my family, everybody in India. And as a Prime Minister, I do respect Modi ji. There is no question about it.
When they actually laughed, they started laughing. How did you feel? What was your first reaction? How did you react?
So at that time, I had no reaction. I also laughed. But in the hindsight, I have certain questions, and I had a couple of thoughts about it. If you are okay, I will share those with you.
Mhm.
Now, it is a medical document, medical certificate, which is going to be used as a vaccination passport going forward for many, many years now, henceforth. And everywhere I'll carry it, right? There might be another booster dose next year. Again, there'll be another certificate. So, on my personal medical document, where my Aadhaar number, my passport number, there is a QR code, there is UID, everything is mentioned. Why should somebody else's photograph be there? Is that correct? On my personal medical document, who is the prime minister of the country or whose photographs they affix is immaterial, whether it is prime minister, chief minister, whosoever. It's my personal private document. So I have this question for everyone. Is that correct?
So, do you think that is it really needed to have a prime minister photo on vaccine certificate? I mean, where we all are fighting against, yeah.
Personally, I don't think it is needed. I don't think anybody's photograph other than mine at all should be there on my medical document.
You know, Diptiji, while we all are fighting against COVID-19 and the opposition leaders of India, they are also targeting the central government on that particular issue. Like Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi has said that vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine has now become a tool for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's publicity rather than using it to save the country. So, what do you think? What would you say on that?
I don't want to say anything on that. That is the government to decide. Personally, I do not agree with it. But I don't think this post was created to create an issue about it. Just wanted to narrate an incident to the people, which was funny. Of course, it has made me think a lot about it. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to keep writing against the government or against Modi. I don't want to do anything like that. Personally, I do not agree with it, but that's it. What politicians should do and what should not is their prerogative and how they should react to it.
After your social media post, many netizens, few of them supported you, few of them are against you. Among them, few one wrote that you allowed that airport staff to make laugh at your PM, and somebody has told that your story is not completely true; it's fabricated. What would you say?
So people may think whatever they want to. I am not a celebrity that I would make up a story and put it on the social media to make it viral. I have not done anything like that. If they don't want to believe, it is their problem. I have not called anybody on my post to check and share, and I have not told anyone. When my people asked me, can I share it? I said, yes, you can. I had no problem saying you can share. This is not a publicity stunt. Now, about the truth of the story, some people have asked questions, which I would, because you asked me, I'm now telling you. So, this vaccination certificate, asking of vaccination certificate at the airport had started just about 8 to 10 days before before we traveled. Our flight was on 12th of July, early morning. Before that, about 7-8 days, this vaccination certificate was started. People started demanding it on the airports. Now, as I mentioned to you earlier, nobody goes at the customer service desk unless they are in trouble or they have some small questions. At that time, if any Indian would have gone earlier to the same lady, she wouldn't ask the vaccination certificate to him. Now, not many people are even allowed to go to UK. We had to change our route, and that's the reason she had to ask for the documents from us. Otherwise, she would never have asked me the certificate. So there was a very, very low chance that any Indian would have gone to that lady on the service desk and from whom she has asked the certificate. Now, people may or may not believe this, but this is a fact that within 8 days, how many Indians have gone on the German airport? They did not even allow the flights earlier. People were not able to even transit through Germany. How can she get a certificate? There was a very less likelihood. Now you don't want to believe, it's your choice. Well, some people have said you should have stopped that lady. Now, who am I to stop her? It's a democratic world. She can laugh at whatever she wants to. And she hasn't, I do not think she has laughed on the country. I do not think she has laughed on the PM. It was some funny incidents which just happened. It can happen with anybody. It would have happened with my father, I would have written it in the same way.
So you are telling that this whole thing, I think, we should not take it seriously. Just
No, I did not say that. I am saying that this incident definitely was not demeaning our prime minister or country. However, this is a thought-provoking thing which has happened.
Okay.
For everyone about that, is it right? Should people? I mean, now what should be done about it is again up to the government. They may think whatever is appropriate and whatever is not. They have enough brains who are working with them. So I think I am not the right person even to tell them do anything. I am no one, honestly. So I don't want to tell anything.
Why did you feel to share this story on social media? I mean, what is the reason?
Because it was just a funny instance. I mean, it was a funny incident. I looked at it as a funny incident till the time it became viral, and I realized, oh, okay, it has become a national issue.
Now, after your social media post, it went viral and many reactions are coming. So, what's your take on it? What do you think? I
think some people have they just like to create an issue out of nothing also.
Okay, is there any? Yeah.
Sorry. What did you say?
Is there any special message to the central government of India about this issue as you face this problem? There are many Indians who face the same.
Who am I to give a message to central government? They have enough brains to think about it. If they find this important, if they find this incident worthwhile to think about the photograph, they will. I don't need to tell anything to them. I am no one. I think they have far better brains. I am just a layman. I mean, I am a common woman. Why would I? I don't want to give any advice to government.
Like if there was not PM's photo, then you would not have experienced this kind of incident.
Correct. So this instance would not have happened. Correct. I agree.
Do you think that it is very strange to have PM's photo on vaccine certificate in a country?
I find it strange personally.
Okay. So after this incident, when you are seeing the Twitter react, many tweets are, when you are seeing the many tweets, many reactions coming on, few of them are against with you. So what are you thinking on it?
Again, I am not so significant that people need to take cognizance of me personally. If they think I'm significant, then that is their prerogative. Let them do whatever they want. I can't stop anyone. I mean, you can probably catch the hand of someone who beats you up, but you can't catch the mouth of someone who talks against you. So I will just not react.
On my last question to you, next time when you will be traveling to somewhere and where this vaccine certificate is needed to be checked, then do you feel any embarrassing situation or any kind of I mean in next when you will be traveling to any country, then you will be more cautious about this vaccination certificate because this incident happened.
See, why should I feel embarrassed? This is what is there on the certificate. The photograph will be there on the certificate of crores of Indians.
Mm-hmm.
Whether, I mean, if I don't like it, I don't like it. I don't feel embarrassed, honestly, about any thing like that. People may call it an embarrassment. I don't consider it as an embarrassment. I just found it funny. I just don't. Having said that, I'm not in favor of putting the Prime Minister's photograph. But I don't find it embarrassing either. That's how it is.
Thank you so much, Deepti ji,
Thank you.
for giving us time, for giving this opportunity to have a conversation with you.
Yeah.
আর অন্যান্য সমস্ত খবর এবং আপডেটের জন্য আপনারা চোখ থাকুক এই সময় ডিজিটালে। নমস্কার।